Alright guys, so we've made it to 1,000 subscribers. Couldn't be more thrilled. It's less than a year since I started, so that was kind of my goal. So I'm going to be giving away private lessons for people. I'm probably going to do like 10 to 15, maybe 20 hours of private lessons for people. So some of them are going to be given out randomly. Some of them are going to be given out to people who have kind of like been there since the beginning of my channel and stuff. So I guess just like post in the comments below if you would like one, and maybe I'll do the first several people to get it, and then I'll pick some other random ones that aren't the first several, and then I'll do the people who have been supporting me from the get-go as well, and that will be fair. I might have other presents for you for this 1,000 subscribers. I don't know. I've got a lot of samples I could gather and some other things that I could give away. But for the most part, I'm just going to start with this. I'll probably do another live stream as well, like another studio day live stream, maybe even tomorrow. But yeah, so put those comments down there, ask for lessons. We can set it up on Zoom or something like that. You can send me your tracks. We can go through them, or we can talk about theory, or, I mean, fuck, it really doesn't matter. We can talk about anything. All right. Love you guys very much. Thank you so much for all of your support. I am glad you're all here. Especially big ups to the people who have been with me since the beginning. All the new people, welcome to the ride. There are a few things that I'm probably going to change about the channel just slightly. I want to get better system of kind of organizing stuff into beginner, intermediate, and advanced content. Mostly I focus on advanced content here, but it's tricky because you need foundational knowledge, and sometimes you don't know where to get it. So I think I'm going to have a more of a centralized resource of other videos that I'm not going to do like other people's videos that you can refer to learn the fundamental knowledge that you need to understand some of these concepts. And if by special request, if you want me to explain in kind of a deep dive kind of thing, a lot of like these concepts that go into these things, like I could have like a deep dive on wave physics if you wanted, and I could have a deep dive on some other stuff, and yeah, just make those requests, please. But it's hard. I'm trying to strike a balance with being able to have advanced content without having those videos have to be 2 hours long. If you want to learn more and learn about the stuff to actually get up your foundational knowledge to a point where you can understand some of these more advanced things, then yeah, just ask. I'll make videos on those things. Then I'll probably have a few playlists, and then I'll probably, I don't know, come up with some organization system that we can implement into YouTube to make that work for other people. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thanks again. Put those comments down if you want some lessons. I've got a lot of knowledge to share. I do really well on one-on-one when I can interact directly with you. We can do like video chat, all that stuff. Yeah, it'll be good. All right, love you guys. Peace.